Hi there, what's up? And it's Vishal from my web, and in this video, first of all, I really apologize for my delay. I know it's been a long time to upload my videos for this e-commerce website. I know it's I started this video since last 6 years, and I'm trying to make, but I really apologize for these things. Okay, so now let's begin and continue this series. So first of all, what we need to do, our next thing is to work on the fetch all these products and display on the home page. So how can you do that? Let's start this. So I'm just going to the home page, so which is the my index.php of the root page. So I'm just click on the index.page. So okay, so here my first product card. So I'm just remove some there's couple of product cards. So yeah, here is the length. Now just remove and press Control S to save and check in the browser. As you can see, we have only one product card available at here. So now, so I'm going to work on the PHP code. So at the top of the page, I start my PHP tag, and I include I what we need to include first. We need to include this class. I mean the crud.php file. So I set the path. This is the class. In the class folder, we have this crud.php, as you can see. Okay, and now I'm going to make an object. So I take a variable. I just take like a home object for make a difference from the other page. Otherwise you can simply just put this obj, okay, for no confusion. And I'm making object using the new keyword, which is new, and my class name. If you don't know what is the class name, so you can simply go to the class and the crud.php. So and as you can see, we have the class crud, which extend our db classes. So I just simply copy this, and we need to just paste it over here, sorry, here. Okay, now which class we need to fetch, which is this is the custom get. So I'm just copy this custom get, and I'm coming back to the my product card section. Here we have this product card. So again I start my PHP tag, and this create a variable, which is the fetch latest products, and sorry, dollar obj, and fetch the method, which is the fetch custom get. And we need to fetch from the table, which in the table name is products. As you can see, this is our products. So just copy this products and paste it over here. And also, as you can see in the custom get, we have also a second parameter. If you need that, so we can easily use that. So why I'm using the second parameter, let's go back to the my products table, and as you can see here, we have the status. If this status is 0, then we are not able to see the products on our home page. Okay, so just set the status in the where condition as a second parameter. So where status equals to 1. Okay, now let's test. I mean, let's check we got the products or not. So I just print the echo with the pre tag, and I check in using the which is the printer, and as I copy this variable, and yeah, here we have. And also I put the die, and let's check in our home page. Refresh. Oh, sorry, not at here. So yeah, Why I'm not able to do? Oh, okay, sorry, it's my bad. So as you can see, we have our all the data which is display in the home page. So how can you display in a beautiful way? So and just remove this line, and I run a for each loop before this product card. So I write for each, and it is like latest underscore product only, and I put the colon. Okay, and at the end of this product card I start a new PHP tag and at the end for each semicolon. Yeah, and let's say in the browser, as you can see, we have we have only four products. So we got the 4 products at here. So now I'm going to set the product thumbnail and the title and the price, all the things. So I'm going back to my database and click on the structure. Okay, for the copy these things like the product title and the product thumbnail, etc. So I just copy this latest product, and yeah, what was the our image upload path, which is the we have the uploads, and then it's have the products, and then we have our products images. So I'm just start the uploads slash products, and now I just start my PHP and echo and type the product thumbnail column. This is this. As you can see, we have the product thumbnail. So I just simply paste it and check. Let's check in the browser. So now I know it's not a good width and height of this image. So we'll fix it later. Let's print all the valuable data in a product card. So now just copy this PHP tag for print or title. So I just this is our product name. So I just remove, and what is the product title? This is the product title. So I just copy, and yeah. Now as you can see, we have the our dynamic product title is mobile test Redmi Neo 04045. Now this is the regular price and selling price. So I just paste it over here. Sorry, this is our regular price, and this is our selling price. Okay, now just save and check in the browser. Okay, now how can we detect which stress is 0, and like if this product like this, that third one, I don't want to fetch this second one because it's the wrong data. So I'm just going back to my browsers and change the status manually. So I just change the status with the 0, and now let's refresh this page. So as you can see, we only got 3 data which stress have 1. Now I change the CSS of this product. So how can you do that? So I just click on this image. As you can see, we have this width and height. So I simply type the object fit cover, and yeah, okay, I'm just going back to my this CSS line, which is the 124. So I minimize and going back to my CSS file, which is the style CSS, and going to the line number 124. Yeah, okay. So for the couple of minutes, I just comment this line and type this object fit cover. Okay, and what is the div class name, which is the product image. As you can see in the product image, like, where is this, as you can see, here we have the product image class. Okay, so yeah, okay, so I just copy this and paste it over here and start writing the CSS, and simply type I just put the height over here, so I just cut this height and paste it over here, and let's see. Okay, and also putting the padding around 20 from the top bottom will be 25 pixel, and from the left and right, which is only 5 pixel for the test. Okay, I'm just testing it in the front of you. Okay, and I just make it hard reload. Okay, cool. And I also want to set select a background color for make a difference from the background area, like the images background area. So I also type the background, as I just take the background color, which will be have f1 f1 f1. Now let's check, refresh. Okay, but as you can see in this home page, we have another background, native background image of this image. Like, I'm the background color of this image, not image. So how can you remove this color, which is there is the particular white background of this image? So I'm just simply remove this first of all, and type the mix blend, and type the multiply. Okay, just save and check in the browser. Now as you can see, all the images are perfectly fit in this card, and we can easily display all products in this grid lines. And how can you test it? Now let's test with adding a new product. So I'm clicking on the add new product, type A50, and like Samsung A55G smartphone, and select a category, which is mobile. Brand name is Samsung. The regular price around in India is 18,500 rupees, and the selling price is 16,500. I'm just using it for the test. And now I already download this image, so I just select this image, test short description, test long description, and click on the save. Okay, I know it's not loading. We'll work on the next video, but before, let's refresh this page. Now as you can see, we have this A55G, but it's not in the order we need to do that. Like it's not in a ascending order. So how can you set it as an ascending order? So I'm going back to my code on the index.php, and before the where condition, we can also set like the, okay, not in the where, after this where status, I typed order by, what was that, okay, this is the product ID. So I sending my products, which is using the products ID. Okay, sorry for that, product underscore ID ASC. Okay, now ascending. Now let's save, sorry, in the descending. Now save and check in the browser again. refresh. Now we have the list of the latest product in our cart view. So in the next video we'll work on the manage these products using like the how can we edit this image, not this image, I mean how can you edit this products details, product details, how can you delete this, how can you change the status, because we don't need to change the status from the here from the database. So meet you soon in the next video and stay with me. Happy coding.